Specifications. Dimensions: 2.87 inches by 1.65 by 2.2, the 5ft. Long power cord offers convenient installation, and the flow regulating valve lets you control the water flow rate, so you can get just the amount of water pressure you want. Detachable Cleanable. This compact water pump is easy to hide or disguise, and no additional tools are needed for disassembly and cleaning. A variety of outlet positions. Place the pump flat and choose whichever outlet position suits your needs. Wide range of application. High-performance energy-efficient pump designed for use in ponds, fountains, waterfalls, hydroponic systems, irrigation systems and other water features. 4 suction cups. 4 suction cups are strong and require no extra tools to secure. You can choose vertical or horizontal fixing according to your needs. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent fountain pump. I am using this on a fairly large patio fountain. Works great and has plenty of power. The water is pumped directly up 2 feet to the spigot without any issue, as you can see from the picture.